Good morning, everyone. We have two-time PBA regional titleist now, Becky Hanrahan. What's up? And now we have a new guy without his shirt on.
Nope.
It is now Sloan, the new guy.
I'm not the next Nick Petty.
It's practice day here in Coldwater, so you know what that means. Practice with Prather. So let's get into it. I just remembered we have buddies here. Let's see, you haven't seen these buddies yet. Let's see if they're awake. They have to practice, so they have to be up. Are you ready to go practice?
No.
Oh. It's dark in there.
Oh, a camera? Dude, let me be lazy in peace.
No.
What time is it? Oh my god, it's noon. I haven't slept in since noon. See ya. Yeah, you guys all bowl this practice session and I bowl the second one by my lonesome?
Yeah, pretty much. No, Brad. You got Brad.
I need all of you to watch me and ball rep me. Thanks.
Alright, so we have made it to the bowling center, and Packy, in all his genius, left his bowling balls from yesterday in Brad's car. He did not ride with Brad. Brad is at the hotel. He has to go and meet Brad to get bowling balls, so he's gonna miss about, I don't know, the first 30 minutes of the practice session.
All right, as chief editor and producer of these films that we make here on the House channel, one, Chris is a absolute liar because I was in the bowling alley tying my shoes. Two, I picked my balls up from Brad and got back with 5 minutes to spare. So yeah, I don't know what he was talking about, that 30 minutes delayed.
And yeah, way to go, Pack. I'm done practicing.
You're done practicing?
Yeah, both my purples hit the pocket every shot, so I'm done.
That's all you need.
Yeah, it's not going to be a score fest, so just hit the pocket.
I like
That's what we're about this week.
Damn you, Packy.
The vlog's about to be full of AJ misses. Mediocre bowler. Mediocre bowler. That's correct. Is this a make? Guaranteed. Let me get my ball.
Barely touched the head pin in 5 attempts on this lane. This is strike. One more time. I've touched the head pin 2 consecutive shots, so we're getting closer.
A little closer every time.
This time.
Went great.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I practiced for 30 minutes yet again. Practice for 30 minutes.
30-minute practices?
Yeah, 30-minute practices because I know exactly what the play is. The play is they're dead hard, and it's going to be a purple hammer out to 6 from all different angles. Yeah, maybe 10 to 6, maybe 12 to 6, and it's not like I'd be planning it. It'd just be different every shot.
Yeah, so like a 3 to 4 board maximum move total.
Oh, not a move, just
just the angles?
Just
Oh,
the
okay,
accidental.
Cool.
Drift a little
Whoopsie-daisy.
extra.
Nick, what was your playing practice? Slap cam.
All right, boys, on the truck. Got the tape. Got the tape. Are you a Vice guy?
I'm not a Vice guy. I'm a this guy. Move. This guy. Right here.
The turb.
Pop, pop. Pop, pop.
Cecil hooked it up. We out. Practice session over.